Hello everyone. I'm gonna show you the some Japanese sushi and black rice DS, white rice, nigiri sushi, and my signature roll, grand avocado roll. So that's what I'm going to show you. One my signature roll, black rice sushi. So I use mango curry wrap. This is a unique. It's not seaweed, but it's not traditional too. So I use black rice for the grand avocado roll because I want to change a little bit traditional then taste, different taste and different nutritional. So you're gonna take a black rice for like 4 ounces, right in middle, gently spray out, gently. Make a spot here to stick to the roll, and then I use sweet potato, I use a mango for this roll, and then I use avocado, so we have to gently roll into all ingredients, not to fall. So make sure your forefinger on the front, your thumb in the back, and the rolling out slowly, gently roll into the everything ingredient, not to fall. Do not tight too hard, a little bit gently squeeze your underneath here. And then tight, open, roll, and then wrap again with bamboo mat, slowly and gently. Make sure you're tight in the underneath of the roll. And you got the roll. So I'm going to show you how to slice avocado slowly. Avocado make you very healthy ingredient, very good oil, vitamin, antioxidant. So we want to make sure, and COVID-19 time, you need a lot of antioxidant and a lot of vitamin to get you a healthier food for your body. Flip over and peel. So we can wrap avocado outside of original mango roll, just like that, cover, and then tie bamboo mat together. And then peel out wax paper, and you will see how beautiful puri roll. And then we're gonna cover 8 cut into it, right in middle, another right in middle. Very easy to measure it. Right in middle. So when you cut, slowly, knife should be go to stroke, not squeak it down. So like that, slowly, you can cut slowly. And we got roll. So we're gonna place into the plate for a little bit decoration. Then I'm gonna put a little bit garnish with red pepper. So I'm gonna show you a little bit brighter with red, green and red and black. And then little bit sprinkle on top of the roll. Wasabi. This is Japanese traditional pickled ginger. Here we go. Beautiful green avocado, our signature roll. You can enjoy at home.